Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Hopper Plant Stuff. I'm Hopper, and obviously I like to plant stuff. So people ask me what organic gardening means, because I say it a lot. I like to do organic gardening. It's simple. Organic gardening is not using commercial herbicides, pesticides, or fertilizers. I use compost I make myself. And you don't need to use harsh pesticide. A little bit of dish soap and water sprayed on your plants can help get rid of a lot of bugs. And as for weeds, the easiest way to get rid of weeds is to pull them by hand. It can take a little more time and a little more work, but it's worth it to keep those harsh chemicals out of the soil so that we have better gardens in the future. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.